This is a used 2008 Buick Enclave. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.6-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include internet connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, a spoiler, an alarm system, power seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: xenon headlamps, curtain head airbags, side airbags, second and third row head airbags, independent suspension, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.